Hi and welcome everybody. In today's video I'm going to show you how to change language on Parler. So let's get started. In the first step you have to enter your phone settings. Now keep in mind that this process will vary across different phones, but we'll try to make it as easy as it gets. So at this stage we have to go all the way to the bottom and find System. Tap on it. As you can see, there's this section called Languages and Input. Just tap on that, then go to Languages, tap on Add a Language. For example, we'll choose well, it doesn't really matter, let's choose Spanish, and then move your chosen language to the top, right there. Wait for a while. Now when the phone's language has changed, you can open Parler, and as you can see now it's in Spanish. I don't know if that's correct Spanish, but as you can see it works. So thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this. Goodbye.